Guys, welcome to today's look. Today I'm gonna do a very warm cut crease. I wasn't ready for what I was gonna say. I'm gonna do a very warm cut crease. I'm gonna be using this pretty palette right here, and this one has a bunch of unique shades. I am in love with this palette. I have already done a few tutorials with it. I'm gonna use a lot of those oranges as well as the yellow. I already have my brows. I also already put primer. Today I use the MAC paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. So first I'm gonna do... No, actually, I was gonna do my face makeup first, but I'm gonna put some of this. This is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1, and I'm gonna spray this on the. Well, I already sprayed it on the beauty blender. I'm like getting ahead of myself, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my face because I feel like I need some moisture in my skin right now. And I'm also going to, you know what? I'm also going to go ahead and put my sunscreen. And then I'm gonna move on to the eyes. I want to do the eyes first, and it might get messy, but it might not. But I don't know yet. And then, like I said, I want to put my sunscreen so to let that like sink in for a little bit. The sunscreen that I have is this one right here, and I'll have it linked below. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one real quick. You guys, if you want to see live tutorials, I'm doing them on my Instagram. I did my second one and it was fun. I did a blue eyeshadow look. So if y'all like watching live videos, y'all should. You can find me on Instagram at AngelicaYT9, as in YouTube YT9, and I'm doing lives there. I just ordered my tripod for my phone. I've actually been using a selfie stick, and I just stick it inside this little container here where I have brushes. Like, I don't have a tripod for my phone. And next I'm going to use, hold on, I'm thinking, I thought I was going to do my eyes first, but I'm doing my face, so I'm just going to fill in my pores. One more step, okay, and then I'll move on to the eyes. But I ordered the tripod. It should get here tomorrow, and I'm excited. It has like a little ring light on it. That's because I feel like it's getting pretty serious. Like, I'm doing lives and I'm loving it. It's like so fun. I get to talk to you while I do the makeup, and you can ask me questions and we can talk about like products and things. And I like that because, I mean, I love recording videos, but I don't get to know your thoughts as I'm doing my makeup. And it's like recorded, you know. Of course, I can always reply to comments and stuff, but it's kind of different. I was gonna say it's not the same. It's kind of different because I get to actually talk to you and answer the questions as they're popping up right in front of me, you know. So yeah, they're fun. It probably takes me like a whole hour. I know it's kind of a long time. Depends on the look that I'm doing, but like to finish a complete look, like with lashes and something glam or something like that. So it does take a little bit. So we are talking for the entire time, and I put music on, so it gets fun, you know. So if you like live videos, like I said, you can follow me on Instagram and you can watch them there, and then I leave them up for 24 hours in case you miss it. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with the eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and move on because I'm talking too much. Okay, so I'm gonna use Hazelnut, and I'm gonna apply this one in the transition area. Yeah, I was gonna say the crease, but I'm not gonna concentrate on the crease yet. I'm just gonna apply this one. Well, yeah, it's kind of like the crease area too. So like the crease transition area. So yeah, it's like I found something else that I love. Doing lives, I don't know, every time I'm done, well, the 2 times, because I've only done it twice, I feel like I've been doing it forever. But the 2 times I've done it, it's like I feel so happy afterwards because, I don't know, it's just like a happy feeling. It's a happy feeling because it just feels kind of cool to be able to talk to y'all, like y'all are here, but y'all are also people, and I get to talk to you over there, like in person, you know, like if we were in person. So next, I'm going to use the color Pumpkin. And I'm going to use this shade to start blending out the edge. The first brush that I used was the MAC 217, and this one is the Morphe M514. I will also have them linked below in the description box. Hazelnut is more of the burnt orange, and Pumpkin is like a true orange color, kind of like the outside of the palette. So they look kind of similar, but they are different. Oh, you know what? I was actually going to use yellow for this, and I chose. So I'll just use the yellow one on my lower lash line. Oh, you know what? I can use the yellow one on my lower lash line and use a yellow. No, maybe I'll use orange eyeliner on my waterline. I saw that this brand came out with a blue palette. You guys, I still don't know what's happening with my blue palette that I ordered from the UK. Like, I don't know where it's at. It's lost somewhere. But anyways, this palette, or this brand, they came out with a blue palette that looks very similar to the other one. It's like very pretty blues with greens. It looks very pretty. And I like this formula, so I'm thinking about it. Okay, so now I'm going to do my cut crease, and did I put it away? The Tarte Shape Tape? I think I did. Okay, so I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape for my cut crease. And I'm going to use my new cut crease brush that I've been using. I love it. It does a really clean line. I'll link all the brushes in the description box, but for sure I'll link like the ones that I mainly use. This one, the Morphe one, and the MAC one. I'll link these three for sure. I feel like these are the ones that I've been using. Well, the other two I've been using forever. But this one is the one that I've been using lately for the cut creases. Because it just does a really good job. And forever I was looking for a good one, like something a little bit bigger than the one that I was using. I was using a tiny one. And I wanted one that was a little bit bigger and very, very thin. So I'm just removing the excess concealer and fading it out towards the outer corner. The next color that I'm going to use is this one. I hope it looks good because it kind of looks a little pink, a little purple, and I'm going to mix this one in with, there you go. I'm trying to look at the viewfinder at the same time, but probably those two. I don't know if the combination is going to look great. No, I'm just going to do it. Okay, we'll just do it. We'll just try it. I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to spray it with my Dewy Set by Anastasia. And I'm going to apply this one on the inner part of the cut crease. Okay, it looks good. I thought it was going to look too pink or too purple, but no, it actually looks a little yellow, so that's perfect. Then after that one, and then right in the center, like I said, I want to use that orange one right there. And I'm just going to use the opposite side. I'm just going to use the other side of the brush and spray it with the Dewy Set. Look how beautiful these colors look. And I'm gonna mix or blend these two colors together and add a little bit more orange towards the outer corner and then blend again. And then let me see, which one should I apply on the outer corner? I'm going to try the it's not hot pink, it's like the bright orange. I don't know how it's going to look. If it doesn't look that good, then I'll use hazelnut because it's a little bit darker, but I want to see how this one looks. I'm going to apply this one on the outer corner. Okay, that actually looks really pretty. Really pretty and bright. I did get some fallout right there, but there you go. I'm just going to leave it alone like that. And I'm going to do the other eye. Love how this bright orange is looking out here. Like it just looks so... It changed up the look, you know? I wasn't sure if it was going to look good because it was like a bright one. The other ones were just a little bit more toned down, and this one's like super extra bright, but it looks really, really pretty. And that's it for, like I said, at the top. And I'm going to remove the fallout because I did get some. Mainly from that last shade. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and do the lower lash line just to get it out of the way because now I see I might get fallout, so I need to be able to clean that up. I don't say you need it a lot of the times, okay? Those are not words that I use very often. But if you're looking for a good cut crease brush, you need this one, okay? You'll really, really like it. Okay, so anyways, moving on, I'm going to use the color Pumpkin first. Wait, which one did I use first? Hazelnut? I'll use Pumpkin first, and then I'm going to use Hazelnut. So basically the same eyeshadows that I have on top. And I'm going to apply this one on the lower lash line, very close to the root of my eyelashes. And this one is a little brush by e.l.f. It's called the Eye Crease brush. This is one of the dollar brushes that they have. I think I might just leave this one. I don't think I'm going to use Hazelnut. Just fixing that outer corner, connecting the shades together. Because I forgot I was going to use the yellow on the lower lash line. So now I did an all orange look. So I'm thinking, should I do yellow? I might do yellow. I think I'm going to do yellow. Let's keep it a little bit different. So I'm going to do yellow on my waterline. I think that'll make the lower lash line stand out. If I don't like it when I'm done, then I'll just put black. But I think that looks good. It kind of just, I don't know. I like the way that it looks. It's not all orange. So I took off a little bit of the primer because I wiped the fallout that I had, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit more right here of the Professional. On top, I'm gonna use the NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm gonna line the top, but just a little bit. I'm probably gonna do a little bitty wing, because I want this to be underneath my eyelashes, but I don't really want a full-on wing all the way out. Okay, so I went ahead and I put the falsies on, and they're by the Lash Laboratory. These are in the style Marlene, and look how pretty they made the eye look. And then on my lower lashes and on the top, I use the Benefit Mascara to first blend in the top ones and then use that on my lower lash line. First I used this one because I wanted to try the yellow mascara with this look, but I feel like it blends in too much with the waterline pencil, so you couldn't even see my eyelashes anymore. So maybe next time I'll use a colorful mascara. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the rest of my face, and I'm gonna spray my dewy set, or no, I'm gonna spray that one later. Okay, so I already used the sunscreen, the primer. So I'm gonna move on to my foundation, and I'm gonna use the Too Faced Peach Perfect. This one's in the color Nude. From what I remember, the foundation matches my skin tone good. So I'm hoping that it still does. I don't know why, but I grabbed a bunch of Too Faced products. I decided to get the concealer. I want to use a different one. I've been using the Tarte Shape Tape in my looks. So it's like, okay, I'm going to use this one, the Multi Sculpting. Then I also ended up grabbing the Born This Way powder. So a lot of Too Faced today on my face for my complexion. Okay, and then like I said, the concealer, I'm going to use the Born This Way. This one I also have in the color Nude. Wow, that looks really good. It's not like a super light concealer, so it looks really good in combination with the foundation. And then I'm going to use the powder too for baking. This one's a really fine powder, really thin. I'm not going to leave it on there for too long because I don't need to like do my under eyes or anything. I'm done with all of that. But before I remove it, I'm gonna use, that's not my powder brush. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. My powder brush. Yeah. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. Then I'm gonna remove the under eye setting powder, which is really not that much. I didn't apply a lot. It's looking so pretty. I really like it. And then the bronzer that I'm going to use is this one by Benefit. It's called the Hula. I'm not going to do extra contouring or anything. Just going to use this one everywhere. And for blush today, I am going to use this one by Makeup Revolution, which is like a dusty rose. Very, very pretty. Looks so good. I'm complimenting my own makeup. I really like the way that it looks. And then I need to blend the blush out just a little bit. Now for the highlight, I grabbed this one by Persona Cosmetics. It's a very glowy one. It's more of like a gold highlight. This one's in the color Zuma. And I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill Morphe highlighting brush. I didn't do anything on my inner corner yet, so I'm going to use this. Like, I didn't apply an eyeshadow yet, so I'm going to use the same highlight. And I'm going to wet it, so that way it looks a little bit more intense. Beautiful. I love this highlight. I'm going to take the same highlighter and apply it on my brow bone. That looks better than what I thought it was going to look. Because I wasn't sure. I was like, I don't know, all these orange colors, is it going to look good? But yes, it does. It really does. Okay, and then before putting my lipstick on, I'm going to spray this one all over my face. And while that dries, I'm going to use this lipstick right here. This one's by Be Elegant Cosmetics in the color Cider Sangria. Okay, I don't think I like this lipstick for this look, okay? It just looks a little off. So let me pick another one. Yeah, I took the other one off because I didn't like the way that it was looking. So I'm going to use this one again. This one's the one that I used in one of my past tutorials. It's very pretty. It's like a warm brown. It's called Aesthetic by Dose of Colors. And I think it's going to go perfect with this look. Yeah, this one matches the orange a lot better. And I had it in mind, but I think it was because I was thinking I was going to do yellow somewhere, and I ended up not doing yellow, like the mustard yellow. Whenever I do mustard yellow, that one matches really good. Perfect. I love it. Okay, so that is everything for today's tutorial. I hope you guys like the way that it turned out. Like I said, it looks a lot better than what I thought it was at the beginning because I wasn't sure about all the different oranges, but it looks so good, and also in combination with this lipstick, I really like it. So like I also said earlier, you can find me on Instagram, and I'm gonna be doing some more lives on there. I already did 2, and it's so fun. I really liked it. So if you like to watch live videos, then you can find me there. I will have the name linked in the description box below. But as far as today, that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.